Want Pixar quality slides in 2 minutes? Watch how one prompt transforms your presentation from bland to breathtaking. If you are stuck using the same old default templates and generic stock photos, your audience is checking out before you even get to your main point. But here's the thing. You can fix that right now with a tool you probably already have access to. Gamma AI has a built-in capability that can turn your slides into a Pixar-style visual experience, and I am going to walk you through the exact workflow. So here's the plan. First, we will set up Gamma AI with the right prompt. Then, I will show you how to generate and customize your new Pixar-style deck. Let us jump in. Start by navigating to gamma.app and clicking the big green button that says Create with AI. This is where the magic begins. You will land on the Generate page, and this is the moment everything changes. Now, craft the magic prompt that triggers the Pixar style. In the text box where you describe your presentation, you need to be specific. I am typing in, create a presentation about the evolution of transportation using Pixar-style art. That last part is the key. The phrase Pixar-style art tells Gamma exactly what visual direction to take. Without that, you get generic images again. With it, you unlock that rich, cinematic, storybook aesthetic that makes people stop scrolling and actually pay attention. And here is a pro tip. You can swap out the topic for anything you want. Your business pitch, a school project, a product launch, just keep the Pixar-style art part. That is your secret weapon. With your prompt ready, click the Generate Outline button. Gamma will think for a second and show you a structured outline of your presentation. This is where you can see the flow of your slides before committing to the full design. Look it over. Make sure the main points are there. This step saves you from regenerating everything later if the structure is off. Once the outline looks good, click the big Generate button. This is where the AI does its heavy lifting. It will take your outline and your Pixar prompt and build out a full presentation, complete with visuals, layout, and text. This might take a moment to process, so just let it work. You will see the slides start popping in one by one, and that is when the excitement hits. The colors pop, the characters feel alive, and your content suddenly has this incredible warmth and personality. Now that the full deck is generated, let us tweak it to perfection. Every slide is editable. You can click on any text box to change the wording. If a headline feels off or a bullet point needs rewording, just type right over it. Gamma keeps the design intact while you update the content. This is your presentation, after all, so make the words say exactly what you want them to say. Next, replace placeholder text with your own message. The AI might have guessed at some of your content, so go through each slide and swap in your real data, your real stories, and your real insights. This is where you go from a pretty template to a powerful communication tool. Now fine-tune the images and colors for consistency. Click on any image to see if Gamma offers alternative options. You can also adjust the color palette if a certain slide feels too bright or not bright enough. The goal is a cohesive look where every slide feels like it belongs in the same Pixar-inspired world. Little adjustments here make a huge difference in the final impression. Finally, export your Pixar-style presentation. Click the Share or Export button in the top right corner. You can download it as a PDF or get a shareable link. That is it. You have a stunning deck that looks nothing like the boring templates everyone else is using. Before you go, remember this. The same Gamma AI that generated these Pixar slides has other styles too. Experiment with the prompt. Try fantasy art or cinematic lighting. The workflow stays the same. Now go make something your audience will actually want to watch.